My name is Avinash Raj and today I'm gonna show you a quick demo on the online hyperlocal ordering solution platform called Yelo. So Yelo is suitable for three kind of businesses: online store, direct to consumer and hyperlocal marketplace. So let's quickly get started and explore a online store in this tutorial. Once you will make a successful sign up on the website, you'll land to this dashboard. So here it is saying a few features of the platform. So let's start my free trial. So this is the dashboard and it is giving us a quick guide how to start. So here my store is ready, but there will be no product, and so that it will look very blank only. So let's quickly get back and add few product. Let me show you the store before we have added any product. So it will be fully blank. So let's go to the admin dashboard and add some product. So I'm gonna add some product from here. Let's name as snacks. Evenings. Snacks 100. From here I can upload pictures and here few more detail along with a category. So I'm gonna choose a category called food, and then I can add an image for category also. But let me quickly pass on through this step so that I can cover as much as information I can in a small tutorial. So I have added one product. So next step is set up your store. So I'm gonna define here location for my store, because Yelo is a hyperlocal platform. So you need to define your store location. I'm gonna tell you the benefit of it. So I have quickly added the required detail and voila, we are landed on a admin dashboard. So this is your admin dashboard. Here you can share your store. It's very important to share your store once you build it up, because as much as you will share your store, you'll get as much as traffic. And then as you sign up in the start, you will get a free domain called yellow.red, xyz.yellow.red, but you're gonna upgrade it with any custom domain. So our platform is integrated with a another platform called Namecheap. So through this you can buy any custom domain within our platform and you can upgrade to any custom domain. So let's not do this. I'm going back to home, and then the next thing is share your QR code. So this feature allow you to download your QR code, and maybe if you are a restaurant owner and so on, you can place this QR code into your billing counter so that people will scan this QR code and quickly open your online store. Yeah, so while we set online store, we have added one product, we have set up the delivery location. So next important step is accepting online payment. So let me show you. We have added one product and it will be visible like this. So if later on I'm gonna add images, the look and feel will be changed. That I'll show you later. So let's quickly set up the online payment. So I'm gonna click here, set up online payment. So our platform is integrated with India's most favorite online payment system called Razorpay. So this allows you to integrate your payment within our platform. So let's do this. To do so, you need to fill out all the business detail here, and then you can click on next button. So here are 5 steps. Let me tell you quickly. In the first step, you need to tell about your personal information. Second will be your business information like GST, PAN number and so on. Third will be your business information. Fourth will be the bank detail, obviously where you gonna accept all your payment. And then fifth, you need to upload your document in order to whatever information you have provided, and then it will take 2 business days to verify your Razorpay integration. So let's skip this. And then once you start online ordering, next important step is to integrate with a delivery management software so that you can easily manage all your deliveries. So we have our own product to manage all your delivery called Yelo. So I'm gonna enable it from here, and hooray, we are able to integrate our platform with the India's most powerful delivery management software called Toucan. Let me show you the Toucan dashboard also. I'm gonna cover more detail on the Toucan in next tutorial, but in this tutorial I'm just gonna tell you small brief on what Toucan is. So token is like when you are accepting online orders, there must be some agent who gonna deliver your food. So all your agent will be appear here. They need to download your agent app, and in that agent app they'll make sign up, and all your agent will be appear here. And once you get an order, all your order will be appear here, and you can set manual assignment of your order to the agent, or there are multiples of feature. You can receive task, assign task based on availability or based on the round robin or so on. So let's skip this tutorial and let's get back to the ordering piece, because we will be covering more about the ordering piece. But before that, let me give you a quick update on what token can help you. So token can help you with three things: pickup and delivery, appointment, and field force work management. Okay, so let's go back. I'm selecting pickup and delivery, and let's go back to Yelo. So this is the platform Yelo. So to explain you in more brief, this is a dummy account, but I have another account that where I have added lot of product. So let me take you to that dashboard itself. Yeah, so this is my another dashboard where I have already added so many products. So let me show you how your store will look like once you will be able to add multiples of product. So this is a store. I have created one for my food business, and I have made multiples of category such as breakfast, snacks, pizza, thali, Chinese, fried rice, noodles, biryani, and so on. Inside each category I have listed my product like this. So as you can see, we have flexibility to write down a price, set discounts, and so on. We can share our product from here easily. Here is the detail page, and this is the share pop-up. So you will be able to share your product from here. And let me show you by placing an order how it works. So let's suppose this is your customer want to place an order for coffee. He'll add the product in the cart. He'll just go to checkout, and he'll see, did you also want? So along with coffee, you can offer anything to your customer, any suggestion. So let me select a toasted bread. Even I can skip it without selecting also, but I have selected it. Then I need to select a delivery location. Let me select this, and then I can proceed to pay. Okay, so as I told you, this is an older demo account. I have integrated this account with all the online payment method, and I have enabled some promotions as well. So as you can see here, this is a public promotion, so I can apply one promotion from here. We have reward redeem feature, also loyalty point. So you can also enable it for your online store, so that your customer, your customer will place an order, more they will get a reward point, and they can use it next time for placing an order. So I have so many reward points, so let's use 100. Submit this, and then let's select pay by cash. Once like I'll set up the Razorpay integration, I will be able to make payment by online method also. So this is the confirmation your customer will get, your order has been placed. And let me show you what will happen for the merchant side. So this is the admin dashboard. So in admin dashboard, you will be see a notification right here, as you can see. So here you can see any order which will come, it will be appear here. It is showing cancelled. I'll tell you the reason why it is cancelled, because in setting we have written it's not our working hour. So I'll get back on this later. So let's move on the other piece for now. So yeah, this will be your product page in the back end. So I have added multiple of categories inside that multiple of product. Even I can add multiple level of categories. So there can be category, inside that category subcategory, and then inside subcategory one more subcategory, and then product. So there is no limit of adding category and subcategory, and in this way you will be able to list your multiple product. And for one product you will be able to add lot of information. So let me show you what all you can add. You can add product name, price, discount, description, long description. You can enable inventory also, so that you can define how many product you have in the inventory. And then once the product threshold completed, you will get a notification also. So let's not do this as of now. Next important thing for an online store is marketing. So we do have multiple of things in terms of marketing. So first one is promo code. So for your online store, you can set promo code. Promo code is something which allow your customer to attract toward your online store and make them more purchases. Then we have a referral scheme also. So with this feature, you can offer your customer to refer to another customer, and instead of that you can define a reward or something so that you will be able to make more customers. So this is an interesting feature. Another one is ad banner. So let me quickly tell you, ad banner is something. Yeah, so ad banner is like, let me show you that this is the image. As you can see here, this will be your ad banner. So this is a customizable section. You can place any kind of banner or image here. So if you are running any promotion or campaign, you can simply make a graphics and place it there, so it will act as an ad banner. Another thing is loyalty point. So through loyalty point, you will be able to retain your existing customer. Also, you will be able to attract new customer. So you have flexibility how you gonna offer them the loyalty point. Next is push campaign. So push campaign is something through which once your customer makes sign up, you have a ready database. You will be able to push SMS and bulk WhatsApp campaign to your customer, such as exciting offers and so on, so that they will be come to your store again to place an order. So this is very interesting, and this can be done. This is possible because of our one extra product called Hippo, and the integration is absolutely free because Hippo is also our product. Next is SEO. So as you know, in the world of internet, ranking is very important. If your content started ranking, you'll be able to save many dollars, because SEO help you rank your website on the top in the search engine, and people will find you easily. So we do have SEO feature also. With that feature, you will be able to do minimum SEO, and with minimum effort you will be able to do SEO, and you can rank your online store. Last but not the least, for marketing is discount. So you will be able to set up discount on product level as well as your store level. Any discount, any amount or any percentage wise, you have flexibility to set up a discount. Okay, then in the last we have settings. So in setting, you will be able to do minor setting in store, whereas you will be able to change your locations, your logo, your banner image, and so on. And then in the configuration, you will be able to set up your store configuration, whether it is a delivery model or whether it is an appointment model, service model, and so on. So you'll be able to configure your store and delivery related things, what is your availability, and so on. So the next thing is order setting. Inside order setting, you will be able to accept and reject your order, and you can make changes accordingly. So this is a setting. Let's suppose you want every order should be accepted automatically, then you need to close this feature. So you will be able to set up like you want to accept the order right now, or you want to do it manually. So there are more features related to that. You will be able to make order settings as you want, and then here you will be able to set up your tax. So for per order, how many percentage sales tax you want to implement, and so on, based on your region. Moving forward, we have payment. So we can enable this feature for, like, if you want to accept cash on delivery, pay later, or like the loan system. So if you want to give those features, you can make changes here. So next important thing is deliveries. So delivery is like, once you integrate your platform with Toucan, you will be able to set up delivery locations. So within how much radius you want to deliver, and the time, and so on. The delivery mode will it be takeaway, home delivery, pickup and drop. So there are multiples of setting related to delivery. You will be able to change everything as per your desire inside delivery setting. And then here you can see a list of your customers, and you can have you can have settings for your customer, how they're gonna log in and so on. That also is in your control. So whenever you want your customer come on your platform, how they're gonna make sign up, you can define that also. And here you will be able to see list of all your customers along with their phone number and so on. And from here you can edit their detail manually also. You can block your customer also, do whatever you want to. And then here is notification related setting. So this is like how you want to get notified for your notification. Every notification related setting, sounds and so on, you will be able to change from here. And then this is language. So as we told you, our product is world class. It's not focused for India only. So our platform supports like more than 50 languages. So you can change language of your admin dashboard. You can even upload custom CSV, and you can translate your storefront in any language you want. So this is very interesting feature. And then also you can define every terminology in your your language. Whatever you want to, you can change every terminology. So that is also in your control. Your means admin control, storefront admin control. Moving forward, we have the branding section. So this is like when you upgrade your platform, when you'll buy a paid plan, you're gonna be change have icon, your icons, your email signature and everything from here. And then you gonna customize your admin dashboard look and feel as per your desire, and then your custom design and so on. So this is interesting feature. So you'll be able to white label your own your platform yourself. Once you like select a paid plan, only then you will be see this feature. And this is like domain buying. This is also very useful for branding purpose. Okay, let's move to other features. Yeah, so after branding, there are general setting. In general setting, you will be able to set preferences. Preferences means like date, time, or how you wanna see your currency, your time zone and so on. So it's up to you. You can change it as per your desire. And here you will be able to manage all your third-party API keys. And then in design, we have a layout for your store. You can change your layout and everything for your store, their look and feel. They are like do you want to open default page as a restaurant page or the home page, anything. If you want to change from design perspective, you'll be able to change it from here. And then content page is a very interesting part. If you want to add any extra page along with what we are offering, such as about page, such as blog page or anything, you will be able to add page from here. And then this page supports HTML and other designing also, so you will be able to make it beautify also. So after that, the last but not the least is billing. So once you are able to set up your online store, from the plan section you will be able to select a plan. So we have an annually plan, we have a semi-annually plan, and then for the beginner we have a pay as you go plan that is absolutely free. Just it will cost you just ₹1, not absolutely free, so that you will be started with this plan for like no cost. This is, but you have some limitation over here that you can't do brandings and so on, but I'll suggest you to go with the annual plan, and it's like very cheaper. Here you can add your card for like your future transactions such as marketing or order limitations and so on. And then let me show you one more interesting thing, that is integration. So our online ordering platform comes along with 75 plus integration, such as payment integration, delivery integration, analytics integration, Twilio, gift card and so on. So you will be able to integrate your platform with Google Analytics or any platform you want to, and that all is possible with Yelo. So I hope you must like this demo. Let me know if you wanna know anything else, and I'll be love helping you. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks. Have a nice day.